Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best camping stools that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have GT Tech Portable Camping Stools. The folding stool is a portable and versatile seating option for picnics, camping, fishing, hiking, and BBQs. Made of durable plastic, this stool is lightweight yet sturdy, supporting both kids and adults. With its adjustable and retractable design, it offers convenience and easy storage. Weighing only 1.25 kilograms, 2.8 pounds, it is effortless to carry and transport. The black color adds a sleek touch to its appearance. Whether you need a quick seat during outdoor activities or an extra stool for gatherings, this folding stool is a reliable and practical choice. Enjoy comfort and convenience wherever your adventures take you. Moving on at number 4, we have Travel Chair Slacker Camping Stools. The Travel Chair Slacker Chair is a portable tripod chair perfect for outdoor adventures. This compact and lightweight chair is designed for on-the-go convenience. With its sturdy tripod base, it provides stability on various terrains. The chair is made of durable materials, ensuring long-lasting use. Its blue color adds a vibrant touch to your outdoor setup. Whether you're camping, fishing, or attending outdoor events, the Travel Chair Slacker Chair offers a comfortable and convenient seating solution. Its one-size design makes it suitable for users of all ages. Relax and enjoy your outdoor activities with this reliable and versatile tripod chair. At number 3, we have Gigatent Folding 3-in-1 Stool. The Gigatent Folding 3-in-1 Stool Backpack is a versatile and practical outdoor accessory. This multifunctional stool doubles as a backpack and cooler bag, offering convenience and efficiency for camping, hunting, and fishing trips. The collapsible stool provides a comfortable seat, while the cooler bag keeps your drinks and snacks chilled. With padded shoulder straps, it can be easily carried as a backpack, leaving your hands free. The Gigatent Folding 3-in-1 Stool Backpack is designed to be compact and portable, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who value functionality and convenience in one versatile package. At number 2, we have Triple Tree Camping Stool. The 2-pack camping stool is a reliable companion for outdoor activities such as walking, hiking, and fishing. With a portable folding design, these stools are easy to carry and set up wherever you go. Each stool has a 13.8-inch height and a sturdy construction, providing a comfortable seating option. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, they can accommodate various users. The stools come with a convenient carry bag, allowing for effortless transportation and storage. Whether you need extra seating around the campfire or a rest spot during your outdoor adventures, these camping stools offer durability and convenience in a compact package. And finally at number 1, Bright Starl Multifunction Camping Stool. The upgraded large-size 3-in-1 multifunction fishing backpack chair is a versatile and convenient outdoor accessory. This portable backpack chair serves as a stool, cooler, and backpack all in one. With its camouflage design, it blends seamlessly with nature during your hiking or camping trips. The folding stool provides a comfortable seat, while the insulated picnic bag keeps your food and drinks cool. The backpack feature allows you to carry your essentials hands-free. With its upgraded large size, this multifunctional backpack chair offers ample storage space and practicality for your outdoor adventures. Stay comfortable and organized with this all-in-one backpack chair.